Hello friends, see you again with me Supercar. In this video I will review the 2024 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro interior. Watch the video until it's finished so you can find out what has been upgraded to the 2024 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro interior. Continue to support the Supercar channel by liking, commenting, subscribing, and tapping the bell so you get other latest car videos. The new Tacoma's interior finally corrects the old bugaboo, with a seat that's an inch higher than before to fix the feeling that you're sitting on the floor. Up top, the roof was raised the same amount, so the repositioned seats didn't result in reduced headroom. Add this to a better steering wheel with more telescopic reach, and you get a much better driving position. The interior is also nice to look at, with logical controls and a refreshed look that suggests no switchgear has been carried over. The attractive center display is easy to reach, and the configurable digital gauge cluster and accompanying steering wheel controls look very modern. Dubbed the IsoDynamic Performance Seat, it is exclusive to the 2024 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro variant and features built-in four-way shock absorption. Yes, that means the chair can and does move. According to Toyota, the goal of this patent-pending feature is to stabilize the driver's field of view to improve focus, comfort, and reduce fatigue on uneven trails. It uses air-over-oil shock absorbers, which as you can see pictured above properly exposed against the seat back. IsoDynamic performance seats allow simultaneous vertical and lateral seat movement to cushion body movements and stabilize the head and neck to maintain alignment with the spine. The Tacoma is now available with an electronic trailer brake controller and a trailer backup guidance system. An optional system of 3 shark fins on the roof uses external pairs to maintain contact with the trailer-mounted rear camera. Its crawl control feature can now operate at high 4 instead of just low 4, and we fully expect it to operate more smoothly now that the braking system includes rear disc and electronic brake booster. The available tailgate switches on and off on its own and can be triggered by a handle, key fob, or taillight mounted button. You can even nudge the back door open with your knee or hand, which triggers the power actuator to take over and get the job done. A new 8.0-inch touchscreen comes standard on the Tacoma, while an optional 14.0-inch screen comes standard on the limited TRD Pro and Trail Hunter. That larger display pairs well with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, while a smaller 7.0-inch cluster comes as standard. Both screens use Toyota's excellent infotainment interface introduced on the Tundra, which features wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, as well as Qi wireless phone charging. And that detachable JBL Bluetooth speaker option is available with the JBL 10 speaker audio upgrade. The Tacoma is also safer than ever, with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 also standard on all versions of the Tacoma for 2024. That includes things like pre-collision with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning with steering assist, full-speed adaptive cruise control, assist lane tracking, road sign assistance, auto strobe lights, and a new proactive driving feature. Proactive Driver combines the Tacoma's camera and radar systems to create a more sophisticated form of adaptive cruise control, providing braking, throttle, and steering input even on slightly curvy roads. This system is new to Toyota and is making its debut on the Tacoma.